Thank you. What is your preferred timings, Satvika and
It's after 5:30 or 6, so I'll be completing my office by 5:30 and reaching at 6. So,
okay, after 5:30, right?
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
in the
Not
evenings.
possible?
No, sir. Morning, 9 o'clock, I should be in the office, so it would be a difficult thing.
Okay. Thermalize for you is not an issue, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Hope all are able to see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. I think Shruti and Pawan. Okay, two people joined newly. Okay, I'm 15-20 minutes. I'm giving small briefing about this introduction and all. Okay,
Okay, sure.
1 second. Okay. Who can learn SAP MM? Anybody can learn, and does not matter whatever your background. If you have purchase and inventory knowledge preferred, that is mandatory. Suppose if you have purchase process and inventory process, some people are working end user. If they know only this purchase and inventory process, if you have that knowledge, that is preferred but not mandatory. In this training, we'll learn everything from scratch, from starting to ending. You will understand SAP not only configuration, from business point of view also we can discuss. The only expectation from you is a desire and commitment to learn. SAP is the ERP tool. ERP means enterprise resource planning. Enterprise means organization. Resource means manpower and material. Planning means execution. One manufacturing company, what they will do, using manpower and material, they start doing the execution activities. That's why we can call it as a ERP. SAP is the ERP tool. Okay, why is ERP required? Integration of business processes. Okay, whenever we are working in any ERP tool, it's integrated with the other processes, like other modules. Hope all are able to see my screen, right? Tirumalesh and Tatvika.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Fail, huh? Yes, no. Why is ERP required? It's an integration of business processes. Whenever we are working in ERP products, integration will be there, integrated with other products. And also standardization of the system across the location. Wherever you go across the India, across the world, the system standardization is unique. Anywhere you can log in and start doing your day-to-day activities. And also it control all your organization aspects in a better way. And also better controlling of different business processes like procure to pay, order to cash, and also plan to produce, record to report. I think Satvika, you are working, SD module as an end user, correct, na? Yours comes under order to cash, correct?
Yeah, sir, exactly.
These are different business process. Again, in a procure to pay, we have standard procurement, subcontracting, service procurement, consignment procurement, pipeline, stock transfer. These are the different business processes. In case of SD module, what will happen? Okay, standard sales process and also third party process, sales process, intercompany sales process, and also sales return process, debit memo, credit memo. These are the different business processes. and also better controlling of better reporting system, like we have purchase reports, sales reports, production reports, and all. Best utilization of resources like manpower, material, and machine. Using these advantages, we are going for ERP and all. Next, these are the different ERP products: SAP, Oracle, Bond, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and all. Out of these ERP products, SAP is occupied more than 70 to 80% market share. Based on the business turnover, company turnover, the company turnover is example, if we talk about in India, like 50 to 100 crores or more than 100 crores, they will go for SAP and all. So, mainly used medium to large scale industries based on the company turnover. Why most of the companies they will choose SAP and all? Because SAP is the user friendly software, convenient to the users, and also it's a integrated product. Whenever we update something in the one of the manufacturing department or sales department, purchase department, automatically it will be reflected in the accounting. You no need to inform and all. So integrated product. I think you are working in the sales model, right, Sadvika? Whenever you do the sales invoice copy, okay, VF01, correct na? Sales invoice we are doing which T code? Sadvika, are you there? Satvika, are you there?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Normally,
I was on some other call. Sorry.
no, sales invoice process,
Hello.
which T code you are doing?
Sorry, sir. We don't submit invoices. We just create jobs. We do order booking and all.
Okay, only sales order booking, huh?
Order booking, and we just give
Which
to
T code
hold
you are
release
using?
and all. We
VA0,
do
na?
that things. VA010203. Yeah. Total 3 we use.
Okay, okay. Inquiry quotation and all you are not doing, huh?
Inquiry quotations and also we do, but not from SAP. We do from other cloud.
Okay, okay, okay. Right, right. Got it, got it.
Hmm.
Whenever we update
Okay.
something in one department, automatically reflect in the accounting.
All other departments. Yeah.
Yes, correct. And also,
Hmm.
SAP is a tightly integrated product. Okay, integrated with other modules. And also, it provides data security. Okay, whoever working in the respected department, they only have access, like a PP module, MM module, SD. Individual module people have access. And also, in SAP, all modules are in one folder, is called a consolidated system. Using these advantages, most of the companies, they will go for SAP and all. After SAP, Oracle. Oracle is a medium scale industries. Bond, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and the small scale industries. These are the different ERP products. Next, what is SAP? SAP stands for System Applications and Products in Data Processing. We have 10 million users, 32,000 customers, more than 1,000 partners, and it provides 21 plus industry solution. Out of these, pharma, oil and gas, beverage, food, mechanical industry, aerospace, defense, paint industry, next retail industry, and all. It supports more than 21 plus industry solution. SAP is the third largest software company in the world after Microsoft and IBM. In SAP, we are using a R3 system. R3 means a real-time three-tier architecture. All the business package softwares are integrated, like MM module, PP, SD, FICO, and all. It's a consolidated system. SAP is intended in 1972 by 5 IBM scientists who sat into one room. First, they introduced into the German market. Slowly, they introduced into the other countries. From last 50 plus years, we are using SAP and now. It's a German-based software. First, introduced into German. After that, they will introduce into the other countries. Okay, in R3 system, we have presentation, application, and database. Presentation means your computer, laptop, or any mobile device. Application means SAP. Database means once you enter the data will be stored in the database layer. Like in ECC, we have MS SQL, DB2, and also Oracle database, IBM database. But in S4HANA, we have S4 means suite on fourth generation, high performance analytical appliances. Okay, the S4HANA started in 2018. Okay, in February. After that, whoever is in ECC, SAP given deadline to complete all the activities from ECC to S4HANA by 2027. From 2028, there is no more ECC. Whoever using ECC, they have to migrate it to the S4HANA. What is the difference between ECC and S4HANA? ECC, SAP don't have their own database. S4HANA have their own database. ECC, which database we are using? MS SQL, DB2, IBM, Oracle. In S4HANA, you are working ECC or S4HANA, Satvika?
ECC only, sir.
Yeah. ECC, we are not using any SAP database, ma. Okay. We have external database. In S4HANA, SAP have their own database that is called HANA Cloud database. And also ECC, SAP support GUI version. S4HANA GUI supports GUI, URL, and also Fiori. Okay. GUI means normal, system and all. Suppose if you log into the SAP, okay, this is the GUI software. Okay, suppose if you are in GUI, suppose if you are going to create any purchase order, we have to use ME21N. Suppose if you are going to create a sales order, we are using T code VA01. T code means transaction code. In S4HANA, we are not using like Fiori. We are not using any T codes. We are using only path, that tiles and all. Suppose Fiori, who will use? Some people are working in the remote areas. They cannot carry laptops and desktops. Okay. Simply what a company IT people will do, they will provide tabs. They will install Fiori Launchpad application. Okay. Here we are not using T codes. Here we are using only tiles or apps. That is the only main difference.
Sir, in S4HANA, we don't use T codes. Is that correct?
No. In S4HANA, SAP support GUI, URL, and Fiori.
Okay.
Okay. In ECC, SAP only have GUI version. There is no URL and Fiori.
Okay.
S4HANA, we have two more advanced, features are there. That is a URL
Okay.
and Fiori. Suppose some people
Fiori means we don't use T codes.
Yeah, Fiori we don't use T codes. Only
Then URL?
URL will use T codes. Suppose you are a manager, example.
Okay.
You are traveling to the other plants or other locations.
Okay. Okay.
Every time for using GUI, what we require, you have to download the software every time.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you have to download, and inside that you have to add the server properties. Which one? If you right click here, these properties are there.
Okay.
These properties we have to add. In case of
Okay.
URL, what will happen? The IT team is there, right? They will provide URL. Directly you can go to the browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge, enter that URL and using your user ID and password and do day-to-day activities. You don't need to
Okay. It's not
install
required to
SAP.
install any application.
Yes, correct. Suppose you are a
Okay.
manager. In your laptop, you don't have this software like
Yeah.
installation path and all. You don't have. Installation file you don't have.
Okay.
How can you do? You have to get it from some other sources, download the software and install software. It will take 1 hour time.
Exactly.
Okay, in that case, okay, what company people will do, like in S4HANA, SAP, what they will do, they have URL that on-premises, company related URL is there. Like Google, Facebook.com, Twitter.com, same like that, URL is there. You can directly enter that URL and do your day-to-day activities. You don't need to install any software and all. In
Okay,
Fiori,
sir. Understood. Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah. In case of Fiori, what will happen? So, suppose example, you are working the remote area. You don't have laptop.
Okay.
You don't have desktop. Company people, what they will do? They will provide the tabs like Lenovo, Samsung.
Okay.
They will install this Fiori Launchpad application into your tabs. Whenever you received orders from customer or supplier, just you go to the purchase order processing, you have to click manage purchase order.
Okay.
Here, you have to create a purchase order. That's it. Here
Purchase
we are
order.
not using
T
any
codes
T
are
code.
not required. It's a simple user interface.
Yeah, simple user interface. That is the advantages when you are working in the S4HANA. But
Okay.
GUI URL and all you require T codes, ma. Normally you are creating sales order. Right?
Okay. Yeah, sir.
How will you, for creation of sales order, you are using T code. Correct, na?
Yeah, exactly.
T code
Sir,
is,
Exactly.
I have a query.
yes, Shruti.
When we use for S4HANA, then we want a T code, right? But when we use SAP MM, then T code is important.
No, wait, Shruti. Don't make it confused. SAP, MM, PP, SD, FICO, ABAP, all are part of S4HANA only.
Yeah.
Okay. There is no MM separate, S4HANA, not like that.
Okay. It's a part of
Part
S4HANA.
of S4HANA only.
Okay,
That
sir.
MM is a part of the module, S4HANA module, logistics module. Got it?
Okay. Got it,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you.
Okay. Just you have to go to this Fiori Launchpad application. Here we have to enter the necessary data and save. The purchase order will be created. All this Fiori URL and GUI all are interconnected. Whenever you enter any data in the Fiori, automatically it will be reflected in the GUI and URL. Suppose some people are working in the offices, right? They're not using tabs and all. Directly they have desktops. What they have to do? They're using only GUI only. In that case, suppose you are working in the remote area, you have to inform, sir, we have received orders. This is order number. You can go through that. They can check that order. Once they are opening the GUI, they enter the sales order number and they will process remaining activities. Hope all are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is the main difference when you go into the S4HANA. I think most of the companies, they are migrating from ECC to S4HANA. 2027 onwards, there is no more ECC. All they have to migrate it. SAP already given two deadlines, already crossed. This is the last deadline. 27 onward, there is no more ECC. Okay, modules in SAP. We have functional and technical. Functional, for learning functional, you don't require coding. For learning technical, you require coding. These are the module FICO, HR, SD, MM, PP, and plant maintenance. SD, MM, PP, PM, WM, EWM, all are comes under logistics. Okay, logistics module. Finance is comes under simple finance. Okay, HR and all it's comes under. Okay, that is a like admin. Okay, like all the employee related, our payroll information, time information, travel information, Form 16, all of those activities they will take care. You don't need to worry about that. For learning technical modules, you require coding. ABAP, BABW, HANA, and all. HANA is the database tool. This also we require some SQL knowledge, query knowledge, and all. These are the functional and technical. Hope all are clear, guys.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Next, landscape. Landscape means the arrangement of servers in SAP. Development, quality, and production. Development, what we will do, we'll configure the SAP related activities and doing the testing as a consultant. Okay. Once we done the all configuration and testing activities, we have to move the changes to the quality. Quality consultant has provided training to the end user, then end user will perform testing. Okay. Production is a live server where end user will do day-to-day business activities. Do you have quality access, Satvika?
No, sir. We don't have quality access.
Suppose if you require any changes in your production system.
We connect to the SAP head who take care of these things and all.
Okay. Normally, end users also have quality access.
Okay, but generally we raise some ticket and then further they'll take care.
Yes, correct. Okay. Next, types of users in SAP: end user, super user, and consultant. End user will do day-to-day business operations, activities. If end user facing any issues, they will connect the super user or power user. Okay, suppose they're not able to print the purchase order, sales order, reports, they can connect to the end user. Consultant is a coordination between end user and a super user. If super user not able to resolve end user issues, they will connect the super user. Next, okay, roles of MM consultant. Okay, organizing the workshops, gathering requirement, gap analysis, preparing blueprint document, customizing and delivering solution, coordinating with the technical team for enhancements, testing, documentation, training document preparation, and also training to the end users. This is the role of MM consultant in our projects. Okay, normally Sarvika, your comes under support consultant, correct na?
Yes, sir.
Not support consultant,
Support
you
order
comes under end user,
booking.
correct, right?
End user and we do order bookings.
Yeah,
we do
that is
hold
the not
release to
support
customer.
consultant.
We
You comes
submit
under end
quotations
user.
and all.
Suppose you
Okay.
have some team is there, right? If you have any issues, you will connect those people, correct na?
Yes, sir. We'll
Those are
connect with them.
those are all
We
support
have
consultants.
only limited access for the limited T codes. We don't have access for everything.
Yes, correct. Okay, support consultant. I think you are connecting with some other people, right? Those are all support consultant.
Okay.
They will issue with your users, attending issues with the MM end users, gathering requirement, mapping requirement, coordinating with the developer for enhancement, delivering SAP training to the end user, creating training documents. These are the activities we are going to support consultant will do these activities. Up to now is all introduction. Is anyone have queries, guys? Anyone have queries? Tirmales,
No.
you are clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I think Shruti and Pawan yesterday up to that I have explained already.
Yes, sir.
Are you no issues, right? As of now?
No issues.
Okay. From here, all SAP MM related, what kind of activities I will explain in the demo. In SAP MM, we are using a terminology called procure to pay. We are procuring the material. After that, we are making payment to the vendors. That is called procure to pay. procuring and paying amount to the vendor. Normally, without procuring, production people, they cannot do the production. And also without production, sales people cannot do the sales. This is all interlinking. Without MM module, okay, there is no PP, there is no SD module. Please remember this one. MM is mainly dealing with all the procurement, inventory and invoice, like vendor invoice activities, logistics invoice activities. Procurement, inventory management and invoice, vendor invoice activities. These are all deals with the MM module. Okay, normally, Satvik, you are doing sales, right? What kind of business
Yes, sir.
you are doing? Like trading or normal manufacturing?
Manufacturing, sir. Manufacturing. We manufacture and we sell compressors
Okay,
and
compressor.
spare
Yeah.
parts.
First you require stock in MMB, correct na?
Yeah,
If you don't have stock, okay, you cannot do sales, correct na?
exactly, sir.
Yeah. For that PP module, what they will do? They have to do the production.
Production.
Yeah. PP means production planning.
Okay.
Suppose manufacturing the product in PP module, they required raw materials also. Okay, the raw material
Okay.
procurement will happen in the MM module.
Okay.
These are all interlinking. Okay, suppose you are going to manufacture
Okay.
compressor, correct na?
Yes, sir.
For
Exactly correct.
manufacturing the compressor, they require some of the components also, like a belt and also
Sir, everything is needed, sir, from the bolt to the frame.
yeah, bolt to the frame. They first procure from
Everything need to
other
be
vendors.
raw material they procure, they manufacture and they put the stock so that we speak to the customer, depend upon the stock, how many material they want, and
Yes,
accordingly we do the order and we deliver the material.
yes. That is a total interlinking process. Without MM module, we cannot do any activities. MM is one
Yes,
of
sir.
the important logistics module in SAP. Material
Okay.
management function of SAP is one of the part of logistics area. It is one of the important module in SAP ERP and supports all the procurement, inventory and the logistics invoice occurring in day-to-day business operations. Okay, in an MM module, all these activities are involved. The material management consisting of master data, configurable data, and the transactional data. Okay, master data, we have material, supplier, source list, info record, system in system configuration, we have plan, company code, purchase organization, purchase group, sales organization, distribution channel, division, order types, all are comes under configurable data. Transactional data like a purchase order creation, purchase requisition, sales order creation, production order creation, purchase requisition creation, all these activities we require to complete the procure to pay process. For completion of the procure to pay process, we require all this setup. Master data, system configurable data, and the transactional data. You are working in SD module, right, Satvika?
Yes, sir. SD.
Yeah. What kind of data you require? Normally, master data?
We need first of all customer data XD.
Yeah, correct.
XD03 we need complete what is the customer data, what
It is-
is exactly the customer ship to, bill to, pair, everything we need.
Material also required, right?
Yeah, material is also required.
Yeah, material required, customer is required, and also sometimes pricing conditions also required.
Exactly, sir. Yes.
Okay, that comes under master data.
Okay.
Configurable data means like your sales order type.
Okay.
sales organization, distribution channel, division. Okay, all comes under configure plant, company code.
Okay.
Transactional means inquiry, quotation, sales order creation, purchase order creation, purchase requisition. All these activities comes under transactional data.
Okay.
1 minute, guys. Jessica, water kama. Please go and bring water. Okay, these are the components are available in the material master MM module. Purchasing, inventory management, logistics invoice verification, material master, valuation, MRP, physical inventory, service master, service entry sheet. All these components are required. If you are going to work in the SAP MM module, you require all these components. Okay. Our overview of the procurement process include all these things: procurement cycle process, stock transfer, subcontracting, vendor consignment, organization level, SAP purchase order, goods receipt, invoice verification. These are the overview of the procurement process. Okay, this is the total procurement life cycle process. One second, guys. In the procurement life cycle process, we have so many in the manufacturing companies, we have so many departments are there. Out of those department like purchase, production, maintenance, quality, warehouse, IT, accounts, sales, and also stores. Out of those department, if any of the department have requirement, first what they will do, they will identify or determination of requirement in the form of indent. In the form of indent. In SAP terminology, we can call it as a purchase requisition. In industry terminology, we can call it as a indent. Okay. First, we'll create a indent document. Hope all are getting my screen and voice properly. Guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. To create a indent, we are using the T code ME51N. Here we have to take a relevant document type, whichever industry is there. Accordingly, can create this document type and create a take this document, and also material. Which material you require? The requirement. For that, you have to go to MM60, enter the plan. Okay, this list and all how we will get it and all we'll discuss in our day-to-day classes. For time being, I'm just taking data. You don't confuse like how we will create it, where it will be coming and all. Okay. Okay, I'm taking this one. Okay. Cheerwood. Leak stop compound. Okay. I'm taking random lemma. Okay. Enter this one. Under there you have requirement of 10 quantity. For which plant? One of the manufacturing plant. Under requisitioner, who is going to create that indent or purchase requisition, then press enter. Then system asking valuation price. How much price per kg? If it is 500 Indian rupees, then you have to enter that value. 500 into 10, 5000. This is clear, everyone? Guys, clear na everyone? Pawan, Shruti.
Yes, yes.
After that, we can save this purchase requisition. We have created this purchase requisition document. Okay, once purchase requisition created, approval process will be there, like validation, who is doing what, and level of approvals. For that, we are approving purchase requisition. Individual department has to approve this PR document and all. Go to ME54N and approve this PR. Normally, this indent approval and all will have individual levels, not collective level. Okay, individual people have individual approvals. Okay, indent approval has been done. Indent creation and approval is everyone is clear, guys?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Then determination of source of supply. Who is the source of supply in the outside of the market? Okay, they will contact 3-4 vendors. Okay, they will ask the some quotations and all. The quotation is out of 3-4 vendors quotation on any of the vendor quotations are okay. Okay, then they will accept the vendor selection. Based on the vendor selection, they will create the purchase order against the indent. Okay, go to ME21N, create a purchase order. Here we have to select the relevant document type. Supplier, purchase organization. Go to document overview on my purchase requisitions. Select this purchase requisition, adopt. Okay. Whichever we are entering in the purchase requisition, right? That is a estimation price, not a actual price. Actual price we have to enter here. Suppose actual price is changed during the time of purchase requisition. Purchase requisition we have 500 maintained, but purchase order it will be 600. That changes will be happening. Why? Because indent will be created in last month. Purchase order we are going to create in this month means vendor will told, oh, sir, the price fluctuations will be happening weekly. There is no fixed price. Accordingly, we have to change that price at the time of purchase order creation. Okay. And also, if you go to the invoice, you can maintain tax code also. If you are working for Indian companies, we have GST is there. Anyone heard about GST? Satvika?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've heard.
What is GST?
GST is a registration for any customer.
No, full form.
Uh, I don't have idea on that.
Goods and service tax.
Okay.
We have CGST, SGST,
SGST.
IGST.
Yeah.
We have 5%, 12%, 18%, 28%, like that GST is there. Okay, for time being, I'm selecting BB. BB means 2.5% CGST, 2.5% SGST.
Okay.
And also you can maintain the pricing conditions also here, like discounts and all. Gross price is 600. Discount and gross 5% is there. The price also will be changed. 570.
Okay.
Got it now?
Got it, sir.
Okay, same like that. Sales are in sales also you have discounts are there, right?
Yes, sir.
If you want, you can give a discount 1%, 2%, and all. Okay, and also you can maintain freight also. Freight means delivery charges.
Delivery charges.
Yeah, surcharge value that company maintenance charges. If you have any insurance, all those charge conditions you can maintain in these conditions. For timing, I'm not selecting this discount and all. I have deleted. I have maintained only gross price. Gross price is the mandatory. Then save it. Purchase order has been created. Then again, purchase order also we have approval is there. For that, you have to go to the ME29. This is also validation. In SAP, we have so many validations will be there, ma. Approvals. Without approvals, they cannot move further. Okay, save it. Then once you know this purchase order approval is be done, we can take the print also. Okay, we can convert this print into the PDF also. Okay, you can open the purchase order will be open. Clear na this one? PO number, indent number, quotation. If you are creating from quotation, quotation also will come. Delivery address, to address, material code, quantity, discount, basic price, all are available. If you maintain any freight also, freight will come. GST as of now, GST only come. These are all terms and conditions in down. Clear? This one up to PO creation and approval.
Sir, here I have a doubt. What is exactly difference between the quotation and the indent?
Normally, okay, indent is a company internal document.
Okay.
Quotation and all is a company external document.
Okay. So
Internal.
if we want to submit any items to customer regarding the price and all, discount and all, we submit quote.
Yes, correct.
But if we want any material to be procured internally with the material to be in stock, then we do
No.
indent.
Internally means suppose you are in a house, ma.
Okay.
You are discussing some of the issues. You are first you will discuss internally only, right? With
Yes,
your
sir.
family. Like if you have
Okay.
father, mother, husband, so many things that you are
Okay.
discussing internally.
Okay.
Internally, if it not sort out, what you will do? You will go to the externally, correct, na?
Okay.
Like you are discussing with the relatives.
Hmm.
Relatives is outside, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Same like that in manufacturing also. If we have requirement, 10 quantity or 100 quantity of the material requirement.
Okay.
First, what you will do? You will discuss internally. Like
Okay.
what is the rate, whether the material is required or not, how much cost. Okay. If budget is more, all these internal factors first you discuss it internally within the company.
Okay.
The internally all approvals, stakeholder approvals is done, like manufacturing, maintenance, sales, accounts. Then we'll create a quotation.
Okay.
Quotation means
Okay, sir.
you are discussing that material related quantity with the vendors, outside vendors. You will ask to submit quotation. Means that is external, right? The matter go to the
Yes, sir.
outside of the company, that will be external. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Family related and a lot. Just giving example. Okay.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay. Now once approval is be done, then PO monitoring. What purchase department will do? They will monitor the PO with the vendors, when they will supply, what time, all uh, cross checks they will check. Then goods receipt. The goods receipt will be done by stores people. Go to the MIGO, goods receipt against the purchase order. Okay. Before checking the goods receipt, first you check the stock position in MMBE. Okay. You have this material, right? The material code stock you can check internally before receiving goods, after receiving. Before, how much stock is there in unrestricted use? 0. Is there any stock available? Guys, any stock available? Satvika?
It will. No, sir.
On order stock only showing. On order means a purchase order stock, not the material stock not yet received to the inventory. That is, once received, it comes to the unrestricted use.
Okay.
You know, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Whichever stock lying in the unrestricted, that will be a physical stock. Now, what I am doing? I am doing this material like a GR. Okay, once we are doing the GR, stock will be coming here. Okay.
Okay.
Check, post. If you refresh, stock has come, right?
Yeah.
Stock received, right? Now, once stock received, what finance people will do? They will do the invoice. They'll make the invoice against the PO. Okay, we have to go to the MIRO. Enter incoming invoice. Sorry. Purchase order number. 1 second. I think hope all are able to following my session, right? This one, how to creating and all. Shruti, Pawan.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Don't make it confuse how these values are coming. That we'll discuss in our day-to-day classes. Just understand how the the total end-to-end process flow.
So that value is already present in this SAP,
Which value?
that is invoice data and reference bill.
No, this is a vendor invoice reference, ma. Vendor will submit invoice copy, right?
But sir, T code is also available in SAP, na?
Yes, yes. These are the standard T codes. There is no
Okay.
change.
Okay, okay.
MIRO, actually, you asked that girl, what is name? Satvika. She already working as a end user. Okay. I
Okay.
asked her T codes, right? Purchase order, sales order. She is using only standard T code. Correct, na Satvika?
Yes, sir. The standard T codes. Only the T codes starting with Z will be the customized T
Yeah,
codes,
that
right?
will be customized. Correct.
We use some ZT codes and maximum we use VA01, VF, everything will
You
be
know
the standard.
ME21 also, right?
Sorry, sir?
ME21N, ME51N. You don't know.
No, sir. ME21F. No, I don't
I
know, sir.
think this comes under purchase. You are
And
not.
secondly, I've been working with this role it's been 3 months, so I don't have deep idea in that.
Okay. I think some people are working in the purchase department. They know these T codes and all.
Okay.
You are sales, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Got it, Shruti?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Enter. Okay. Amount is 6,000, 10 kg of the quantity. Now here we have to enter HSN code. HSN means for GST, after GST implementation, HSN code is mandatory. HSN means homogeneous systemized nomenclature. Every product having HSN code in India particularly. Based on that HSN code only, you will get the GST. If you go to the any D-Mart or South India or any shopping mall, if you are observe in the invoice copy, you have product, HSN code and GST percentage, all it will be available. Okay. Now, including tax, how much? 6, sorry, calculate tax. Okay, we have to select VB as a tax code. Total how much stock is there? How much cost? 6,300. 6,000 your basic value. 300 is GST. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Now you can simulate. Okay, here vendor account is credit, GRIR, CGST, HGST accounts are debit. Posting. We have made the we have done the invoice. After doing the invoice, we have to make the payment. Okay, before making the payment to the vendor, first check the vendor balance in the ledger balance. Okay, this is the vendor. Go to FBL1 app. This is a finance T code. Check the only ledger balance on today's date. Go to all item. Enter the posting date. How much ledger balance is there? How much we have to make the payment to the vendor?
So 3 now.
6,300. Okay. We have to go to F-53 and make the payment. This one will be done by finance people. Okay. That's why we can call it as a integration. Enter the vendor account. Okay. Whatever amount we have entered, amount entered and assigned both are same. Then we have to do the simulate. Save. If we refresh the screen, ledger balance 0. How much is ledger balance? Sadvika, how much is ledger balance?
Ledger balance means the amount need to be paid to the vendor.
No. Ledger balance means whatever credit and debit, the balance is pending, right? That is a ledger.
Okay, difference between the zero. It is zero.
Yeah, 0 means there is no
Payment
debit.
pending.
There is no debit balance, there is no credit balance. The
Yeah.
balance is nullified.
Yeah.
Okay, the process is completed. This is a total procure to pay process. Once we receive the material, right? Then what production people will do? They will do the production using this component material. Then production done, what sales people will do? They will do the sales.
Okay.
These are all interlinking. Okay. Hope all are clear. Anyone have queries? Yeah, Shruti, I'll go with the first you, ma. What you have any queries?
No, sir.
You understood, right? Fully, like how the procurement start, where it will be end.
Not correctly. Little bit confusion, but don't know where I'm.
What kind of confusion?
So how to create this
No, no, no.
Pretty
How
clear.
to create and all, that will be practical part is a different one. First you understood theoretically,
Yeah, theoretically I understood totally.
समझ में आ गए ना?
हाँ जी.
ठीक है। मैं तुम एक्चुअली पहले तुम कोई सीखने के पहले, ओके, एक्चुअली व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल कंडक्ट डेमो सेशन। डेमो तुमको मतलब समझ में आएगा तो देन प्रैक्टिकल इज अ लेटर पार्ट।
Okay.
ओके, पहला तुम ये समझ में आना चाहिए तो क्या कर रहा है, कहाँ से कहाँ, मतलब प्रोसेस कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, कहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है, कहाँ से एंडिंग हो रहा है, ये होना चाहिए। प्रैक्टिकल था ये डिफरेंट पार्ट। वंस तुमको सिस्टम सिस्टम का एक्सेस मिलेगा तो बाद में ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप,
Okay, sir.
मतलब मटेरियल क्रिएशन, वेंडर क्रिएशन, परचेज ऑर्डर क्रिएशन, परचेज रिक्वेशन, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट पार्ट।
सर ये सिस्टम हम लोग को कितने दिन के लिए मिलेगा? ये कोर्स
नहीं,
कितने?
तुम पहला एनरोल होने के बाद 2 महीने
हम्म.
तक एक्सेस मिल जाएगा माँ।
अच्छा, 2 महीने के लिए एक्सेस मिलेगा.
हाँ, 2 महीने के बाद तुमको एक्सटेंशन चाहिए तो एक्सटेंशन भी ले सकते हो,
Okay.
सेम सिस्टम।
तो उसके
मतलब
चार्जेस भी हैं सर?
हाँ सर, 2 महीने के बाद चार्जेस लगता है मंथली 500 रुपीज।
ओके. ओके.
तुमको 2 महीने चाहिए, 3 महीने चाहिए, तुमको जॉब नौकरी मिलने तक तुम ले सकते हो। ओके।
और सर आप कोई प्लेसमेंट नहीं कराते क्या?
प्लेसमेंट एक्चुअली वी आर like we if we get any inquiries ma, like companies is there, right, they will forward their mail IDs, requirement and all that, mail IDs will forward with you. Okay, you have to apply, then we will assist you, like where if any requirements will come, we will forward to you,
ओके.
then you have to apply that jobs and all, you have to go through.
आफ्टर दैट इज माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी व्हाट आई एम डू और नॉट. I'm
Yes,
job.
yes, correct. Actually, may
Only
group.
you forward
Yeah, sorry.
me.
Yeah,
Only you forward me.
I'm forwarding all the requirements, whichever we are coming,
Okay.
whichever we are getting. That I will forward to you. You have to apply. Accordingly, you have to crack the interviews.
Okay.
तुमको सब्जेक्ट में कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगा तो that I will assist you.
Okay.
Okay, subject point of view, any time I will help you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
सर वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई हैव, अभी वो पूरा एसडी कोर्स सीखने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा सर? पूरा एसडी पहले मेरे को एसडी सीखना है, बाद में आई थिंक आई एम प्लानिंग टू गो टू एमएम एंड ऑल। फर्स्टली आई थिंक आई शुड गेट अ क्लैरिटी ऑन एसडी, सो अभी वो कंप्लीट पूरा कोर्स कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा सर?
कंप्लीट पूरा एचडी कोर्स के लिए 2 to 3 months में।
2 to 3 months, और आई कांट अटेंड ऑफलाइन क्लासेस, आई नीड ओनली ऑनलाइन।
हाँ, या यू कैन अटेंड आल्सो।
अभी तो टाइमिंग्स भी मेरे को मैच करना पड़ता है सर, आई एम वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल,
हाँ,
सो
यस यस यस, दैट इज इवनिंग टाइम, राइट।
हाँ इवनिंग टाइम।
इवनिंग टाइम एक्चुअली I have to think ma, why, because morning up to 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock I'm free ma.
ओके
Evening, I have a lot of meetings will be there. Only mostly I'm working for US ships only. US
ओके
timings.
ओके
Okay, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, the meetings will be start.
ओके।
That is the problem.
मॉर्निंग है तो लाइक इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर 8 to 7 to 8 और समथिंग लाइक दैट सर?
No, no, you are looking for HD, right?
या सर एसटी।
But I'm no, I'm also teaching HD also.
हम्म।
But time for time being, whoever 3 people are there, right, they're all MM only.
రిప్లై వచ్చి 1 minute, రిప్లై వచ్చింది, మళ్ళీ పార్ట్ క్రియేషన్ కి రాసేసాను కదా సిరాజ్ కి. సిరాజ్ చేయాలి, రాసాను సిరాజ్ కి, నేను పెట్టాను సిరాజ్ కి. సారీ సార్, యా సార్.
No, no, actually, whoever all the students are there, right? They are MM only.
ఓకే.
Pawan, Shruti, Tirumalesh and all. Okay, you are only SD. That's only different.
Okay. Sir, can I get your number so that we can just have a word after
Yeah,
this call?
you can take ma 7017
70
17
17
5585
5585
31.
31. Okay, sir. Your good name?
Sir,
Okay.
can you repeat it again?
Yeah, I pinged in the chat ma. You did not get chat. Go just go to the chat.
Okay.
You
Okay.
got it right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Gopi ma.
Okay, sir.
Any questions, Pawan?
No, no, Gopi. It's clear from my side.
Okay. Tirumalesh?
No, sir. I will contact you and inform further, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Any questions, Shruti?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. We'll see you next class.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Bye.